From spreading smiles to a revenue of 7,000 crores, this brand is a leader in the Indian oral care industry for decades. Imagine a time where brushing twice a day wasn't a routine. This is the story of Colgate, the smile that brightened the India. It all began in 1806 with William Colgate, a soap maker with a vision of oral hygiene. By the late 19th century, Colgate toothpaste was gaining traction globally. However, entering India, a land steeped in tradition and diverse culture, presented a unique challenge. Here, Colgate wouldn't just be selling toothpaste, they'll be introducing a new habit. In the early 90s, Colgate took a bold step. They understood the importance of education and partnered with schools across India. These partnerships weren't just about selling, they were about promoting oral hygiene through awareness campaigns, a masterstroke. They didn't stop here. Affordability is a key in price-sensitive markets. Unlike the large jars sold elsewhere, Colgate offers a small toothpaste tube, making them accessible to a wider audience. This focus on both education and affordability laid the foundation of Colgate's remarkable success in India. In the mid-20th century, Colgate's marketing magic came into play. Catchy slogans like "brush twice a day with Colgate and keep cavity away" became ingrained in family conversation. But Colgate's true marketing genius was leveraging the power of Bollywood celebrities. They understood the culture of influence these stars and made the oral care aspirational. This strategy is evident in the present-day campaigns, featuring Deepika Padukone and Akshay Kumar, continues to resonate with Indian audiences. The results of Colgate India strategy were phenomenal. By the year 2000, they had captured a staggering 70% market share, a testament to their early focus on education, affordability, and culturally relevant market. Even today, Colgate maintains a dominant position with a market share of around 55%. But more importantly, Colgate has thrived because of its commitment to growth. In 2023, they reported a revenue of Rs 7,000 crores in India, with an impressive year-on-year growth of 8%. This sustained success speaks volume about the brand's availability to adaptation and innovation. The oral care landscape is constantly evolving, and Colgate is the forefront of change. Today, they are focusing on innovation and developing new product lines with natural ingredients and targeted solutions for sensitivity. They're also embracing the digital revolution by leveraging the social media and influencer partnerships. Colgate is reaching a younger generation and staying relevant in the ever-changing digital space. From humble beginnings to market leadership, Colgate's journey in India is a story of understanding market, building trust, and constantly evolving. As the oral care landscape continues to shift, one thing remains certain: Colgate's bright smile will likely to continue to greet Indians for years to come. This has been a look to Colgate's journey in India. See more stories, click the like button and subscribe. Are you a fan of Colgate toothpaste, or do you stick to the habit of brushing twice a day? Let me know in the comment section below.